Welcome to Driving in Style, where you watch Eddie lose my money. All right. We have Vinny Cuz and Eddie here trying to find a way out of ride sharing through day trading. And here we go. We might be missing some days. Yesterday, we missed a day because I had something very important to do. All right. But let's do it again today. Watching the green line cross over the yellow line, and we make some money.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And
Bam!
this one is going to be brought to you by Webull. If you want to go ahead and basically school over Uber and Lyft, you could just buy some of their shares and short the company until they go broke if you're not happy.
Hey, baby.
And you can make money off of it. And the QR code will be there you go. You can first start there. You first start your account by paper trading. All right. And when you become successful at paper trading, you can go ahead and move on to real life trading. And you can make money off of Uber and Lyft while their company does really, really bad because they keep taking other people's money and they don't give you any of it.
Boy, did I find out last night that dude was 38 hot. He was pissed. Yes, sir.
We can
Yes,
do
sir.
this. We could do this. They're gonna
I need a
keep
little
taking the
music in
money,
my life today, Eddie. I need a little music in my life
and then
today.
they like Lyft today gave me a they sent me to like I don't know how they calculated the mileage, but they said it was 10 miles away and it was like 12. It was just a regular Lyft. I was on my way back home. Anyway, it took me like 30 minutes to get to the destination.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, for like I think it was like $13 what I was making out of the ride.
No shit.
And I was like, how the hell these guys see now they got down now they're manipulating the mileage.
Yeah, yeah.
They're manipulating the mileage. Oh, we need the bell.
I don't have a bell. Did you have a bell?
No, hold on.
I have my stuff back, though, you know. I have my stuff back.
Damn, I'm good.
Oh, market's open, and she
That
is
market's open.
ripping. She is ripping. She is ripping.
All right, so let's do this. Yesterday I did not take any well, actually we didn't go live, but we were actually trading. I had to leave really early. I had to leave an hour early. And Vinny, he gets scared. Leave him alone on the live. Um, but we traded yesterday, and nothing was happening early in the morning until about like 12 noon. Was it 11? 11,
11:30
12?
ish. Yeah, 11:30 ish, something like that. Yeah, it was.
And the idea is to make money the first 2 hours of the day. That's it. You make your money and then you go.
But so but like we were talking about, bro, there's just some days where you just can't do it that way. It's just not going to work that way. It's unfortunate, but that's the reality of it. Woo! That contract shot up. God damn. Wow, really? That put rip like that? It opened at 165. No, it didn't. Stop lying.
Oh wait, what are we doing? Oh yeah, I'm showing this is my chart. Okay. So wait, hold on. So rule number one: wait 15 to 30 minutes before you start your trading strategy. And my strategy is basically I try to make a decision of where the market is going to be going for the day before I take the trade. As you can see, the coffee's kicking in.
Here comes the coffee. Here comes that coffee.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Here comes that coffee. Let's go, y'all. Come on, wake up. It's Tuesday morning.
This is Sparta!
Bro, that dude was so pissed off. He was like, how much are you making for this ride? How much are you making for this ride? And when I
And
told
you
him,
tell them it's supposed to be 70-30?
dude, bro, you know what? I just dummied up. It's like, wow, yeah, no, I'm not getting that. And he was pissed. He was pissed.
You should have took a picture of yours and then a picture of his and be like, hey, go ahead and file a
Bro.
complaint with Uber and bring it to the news, bring it all over
Bro,
the place because they do this all
bro.
the
You
time.
need to rephrase that.
What?
You told me to take a picture of mine and take a picture of his, and yeah,
Okay. Take
that
a
don't work.
picture of what Lyft paid you and paid him.
I wasn't
All
Lyft. It
right,
was
and then
Uber.
it was Uber. All right, and then bring it up to them. Bring it up in an kind of like just report it to the news. Bring it to somebody that's gonna take some consideration at about because they keep robbing people, man.
Yeah, they're putting a hurting on people, bro. They're not doing right by people right now.
No, and not do. And what happened is they're hurting both sides. They're hurting both
Yeah,
sides. And then now the other side that we know has been going on for a long time, but now the person that's been getting ripped is them too, which is the writer. And then
yeah,
now
of
he
course,
knows.
bro. Of course, bro. It's terrible.
Oh, it's gonna be some good stuff. Okay, I like trading the spy.
Don't follow me, bro. This is my this is
Oh,
all I gotta
doing
do.
the commuters. Good morning, commuter. You're talking about the Dom. We're doing the okay,
Yeah, you need to be doing the Dom this morning, bro.
the Dom. I gotta do the Dom. I gotta wait for my opportunity.
That's it. Just wait on your opportunity. Ain't no rush. All right. I'm looking for Spy to break high a day already because it opened up and then slammed down. So let's see what happens here. That's it. Let's go Spy. Push. Anyway, yeah, he was pissed. And you know what's sad about that is, right? The sad part about that, bro, the sad part about that is that I wind up getting no tip out of that. I got no shot of getting a tip out of that ride. When the rider pays 53% more than I got paid, right? I got paid $53 on that ride. The rider paid 117. I got a copy of it, right? I got zero shot of getting a tip out of that. Zero. Doesn't matter how good I am. People ain't got money like that, bro. He was down for some type of he was Orthodox Jewish. They were down here for Passover weekend,
Oh,
right? And
Orthodox Jewish.
but no,
They
but I mean
tre-
it was him and
they
his
treasure
son,
their money. They treasure their money and their savings,
right?
and they're very good investors.
And you get a guy that's pissed off. He ain't gonna want to hear that shit, bro. You don't want to hear that shit. Very nice people, man. Him and his 9-year-old son, bro.
Yeah.
When the most expensive part of your trip or day out is your ride, that's not good, bro. That's not good when the most expensive part of your ride or your night with your son is, you know, the Uber. No bueno, baby.
Oh, hey, hey! Everybody treasures their own money, however they want to treasure it. You know what? I sent a video to Vinny yesterday about
I
how
saw that.
some people cost up, how people that make a lot of money avoid paying taxes overall by taking their money, putting it into other investments that make them even more money back, and then they take. So, dude, how do I explain it? So they spend the money. So they have a choice. Either you spend 100 grand on you have 100 grand that you have to pay in taxes. What do you do? You know, either you spend 100 grand on yourself, or you give the 100 grand away to somebody else. What do you do? Or you spend it on yourself. And then he was talking about how to justify paying no taxes on that 100 grand as long as it is a justifiable business expense. And what they do is they take that money and then reinvest it into something else that makes them even more money, but because the money was spent, they don't have to pay any taxes on it.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
All right. What's
Oh,
Richie? Richie, don't get bent out of shape this morning. God damn. Here we go. Anyway, yeah, it was just crazy, dude. Like I said, they were down here for Passover. It was some kind of big gathering that they do every year down here. And he was like, dude, he was pissed. He was pissed.
yeah.
He was pissed. He was pissed. But what are you gonna do, bro? I mean, I don't make the rides, you know. I
Yeah,
don't
man.
make the prices.
We ain't gonna get the money anyway. Whether they take it or not, we're not gonna get it.
Yeah, exactly. But
We're
whatever.
not going to get it.
His son was cool. You know, the 9-year-old, we were laughing, having a good time with it, you know. We were laughing, having a good time with it.
Get rid of all my options. Everything set up, ready to go. Yeah, that's what I'm looking, Richie, for a deal, another deal. Oh, by the way, I mean, does Rich? Does anybody have a YouTube channel? I mean, does Commuter have one or Richie have one?
No, not that.
Because
I don't know. I don't know about Patty, but Richie doesn't know.
because I found that very interesting that a lot of the he was talking about the guy that I was listening to yesterday. I don't know his name, but at the last 3 months, that's what and I was looking at my YouTube and I got paid the most during that time, and then everything kind of slowed down right now. So, and it's because of that. It's because a lot of the YouTube tends to advertise and pay more so they can spend all that money. The Nasdaq is coming down. SPY is coming down also.
Well, we got a high day and we got a lower day, so I'm not panicking. Market just opened. If you look already, we're in a range. We're already ranging. But I see them futures going up.
I actually was.
I
I
got a
figured out
hedge.
how to. You got a hedge on what?
I got a hedge already. I got a 4150 call for SPX today. It cost me $50, so I'm in that right now. There's not going to be any real panic, but I've got a counter. I've got a put dialed up. I'm not in it. I got a put dialed up that's already hit like 160 right now. It's a $95 put. So I'm dialed up. We'll see what it does. You know, I don't know what the market's going to do. I don't care. I just need some definition of which way it wants to go.
Where is my news?
I don't know. Where's your news?
Damn it. Where's my calendar? Today's Tuesday. Oh, it's only till 1:30.
Yeah, there's
1:30 p.m.
no news or nothing going on today. There's no real news or nothing going on today. This shit's gonna fire off. If it breaks below this, I might have to take this chance on this. And then I can come back and play the other one later. Just gonna let that one sit there right now. Do I want to do this? Is it gonna bounce? Oh, see, it just bounced. I'm waiting.
There he goes.
It doesn't know what it wants to do. Oh, breaking below.
Now you got you have your put and you wedged it with a call.
No, I've got a call and I got a put dialed up.
Okay, now I get it.
I've got a call. I'm in a call, and I'm already down like $15 on that. You can see here. I'm in a call right here. Okay. Big thick purple line is my cost on the contract. So you can see I'm all over the place. So I'm going to let this one hedge for a minute, and I've got a put dialed up. I've got 2 puts in case it goes the other way. So I'm going to try to hedge myself in, but the price has got to be right. So we got to wait. We got to wait it out. It's a waiting game, bro. You know what I mean?
I don't know. I see it breaking down.
I'm looking at my EMAs and,
Looking at my 30. Yeah, my lines are all still the same. Nothing has changed.
nope. I've already got a little trend going on SPY here this morning. So on the last couple of candles, let's see if we're going to break that. See what it wants to do. Here it comes, coming back up a little bit, bouncing up against my trend line right now. I guess I could put that over here. Oh man! All right.
And though we could, yeah, I'm gonna do a U. Where am I?
There's my trend line. Everybody can see my trend line there. See what it wants to do. We're going to stay above this trend line, or is it going to slam down? What are we doing?
Let's see if this
down
works.
below that.
You know what? I put it in the wrong chart. I'm gonna put this on Trader View.
By the way, for anybody into crypto, I'm just going to start telling you right now, start accumulating your Bitcoin and start accumulating Chainlink, LINK. I'm giving you a heads up now. You'll thank me in 6 months. You'll thank me in 6 months. Chainlink and BTC, LINK. If you're into crypto, just grab those and you're going to be a very, very, very happy camper in about 6 months. Just start accumulating. Here we go. All right, we get a little pop up. We broke above this trend line.
No, you mean that you mean what you're trying to say is that you're buying yourself some link.
Oh, I've already got Link, bro. I've made so much money off of Chainlink in the past, but I needed it to come down back to where it was. I needed it to come back down to a reasonable price. And I gradually, a little bit at a time, I reload. Wash, rinse, repeat. That's all trading is. All right, TLT is going on the low. The 10-year yield is on the high. Dixie is on, it's moving down. The VIX is down under 20. That's a good thing. It's good for a pop-up. But there's no real news out there. I haven't heard any real news. I could go pull up my guy and see what he's talking about, but,
It's a pretty good pullback. I mean, well, SPY, SPX. Let me see SPX. This is the.
What the hell is Richie talking about?
This is the 3
I'm
minute.
too cheap to have one. I'm just the cheap. What is Richie talking about? What'd you say to Richie, bro?
Oh, I didn't say anything to Richie. I'm thinking he's talking about the what I was talking about. Does anybody have a YouTube channel?
Oh.
Right? That's what you're talking about, right, Rach?
It's a boring morning. Let me go bring up my guy. I'll put him on silent in my ear so I can hear what's going on in the world. Here we go.
We got to going through everyone. It'll take a lot of time. So that's the only downside.
All right, so I want to bring that off the stream.
Out of our
There you go. So I got him in my ear now. Oh,
Let me see. I don't
bro,
got nothing.
I woke up in such a decent mood. I have to talk to you about racist peace. What? What the hell is he talking about? Oh my God! Stop! Oh my God, Richie, stop!
Oh, what's going on with Richie?
Oh my God. Okay.
Do 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 do. Could it be? Could it be? It seems to be like it's gonna do it too. Possibly. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I hear something you got in the background there. I hear it. I'm watching the SPX right now. I just kind of like how it pulled back to the 90 MA on the 2 minute, and on the 3 it's bouncing right off of it. I'm gonna see if it breaks that 41.15.36 level. So what have I missed so far?
What did you miss so far about what? Nothing.
And
Everything.
it looks like Budweiser is getting hit pretty, or
Oh
what's it
my
called?
God,
Isaac,
bro!
Isaac.
Did you see their market cap loss? Like $4 billion since that issue.
So, and I haven't even looked. Let me see. They're actually no. This is the 3 minute day. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. If you look at a Budweiser on the daily, oh my God! Look, they gapped up and then boom, they gapped right back down. Holy wow! From a high of 66. Wow, a low of 66.48, and it's at 65.48. A dollar? $2? No, a dollar. I don't know, but I think this is gonna hit them. It would be nice to actually see a big company like this, go down.
What, Budweiser, Anheuser-Busch?
Yeah,
Yeah, they're gonna pay the cost for a little bit, bro.
I
They're
hope
gonna
they
pay
play
the
pretty
cost
good.
for a little bit.
I hope
You
they play
said
pretty good.
you said you can hear what, my music, or you can hear something else.
I can hear something in the background, very lightly. So I'm
Shouldn't
just
be able
thinking the
to
mic is picking
hear
it
that.
up.
Well, I got my
No,
headphones on.
yeah, but it's music. But I hear it, but I don't hear it because it's coming through the
Oh,
thing. I hear it as if it's coming through. It's like you're picking the
yeah, I
noise
got
up,
the
kind of
music
like when
on
you
a
hear the
little bit.
birds.
Yeah, I got Spotify going on. You can
Hmm.
hear it now. I got the copyright
No,
free music going.
so no, I don't hear it now.
Now you don't hear it. I turned it up and you don't hear it. Make up your mind.
Okay, now I hear it. I gotta like really listen.
Oh my God. Well, because I got it low. I didn't want it to be too loud. How
No,
about
it's not
now?
loud at all. Oh, now I hear it. Now it's like you're putting it louder.
Yeah, I turned it up. There you go. I'm trying to get the right balance, the right volume. Man, SPY is coiling up. It's going one way or another here really soon. I'd like it to bounce up, but it's not going to matter. I can go either way on this one.
We do the waiting game. We do the waiting game. Oh, damn it.
I'd like to get this back down at this low price. All right, here it is. Starting to pop down. It's the third time hitting low a day. This might break through. If it doesn't break through here, then we got somewhat of a triple bottom. See what it does at this because right now, yeah, we're sitting on a triple bottom, bro. Here, let me bring SPY up over here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Where's SPY? There it is. Boom. See this? Here's SPY. We got a triple bottom going right here. So technically, we might have a head and shoulders right here. Here's one. Here's two. Here's three. This could be an inverse head and shoulders. But we also got a downtrend going here. So we don't know. We got to watch this spot right here and see what it does. See if it breaks through there or not. Patience, patience. Rocket ship wants to take off, wants to take off, wants to take off. Can it close that candle and take off? Is that candle going to stay green? Volume is low, but it's definitely in this range right here. Oh, God. Yep. See, it's boring, bro. It's boring. It's boring, boring, boring. We got nobody watching, bro. Everybody bailed on us. Your mic is off.
You know, I was talking to my big bro yesterday, and he's like, dude, it's like, how do you trade it? I was like, dude, like, I'll be sitting in the computer for like an hour, 2 hours, and then I'll take the trade, but the trade only lasts like a couple of seconds. So
Learn more at Prevnar20.com. Prevnar20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria.
let me see.
Pneumonia.
Where is
on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar20.
Where is
allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredient. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. The most commonly reported side effect was
I keep hearing about the vaccine.
additional common side effects and full prescribing.
Yeah, they're still trying to push it, even though they know it's not doing anybody really a whole lot of good. So that guy last night, what he does for a living is he's a nurse.
Ooh.
And he was talking, he's a nurse in New York City. He's from Brooklyn. And he was telling me about how throughout the whole thing, people were sitting there and he was seeing so many people coming in and out and how, the adverse reactions that they were having to everything they were throwing at him to try to, help him, get better or whatever.
Yeah.
He said, he said after about 3 months, he was one of those guys that was like, no matter what you do, it's just got to run its course. That was his consensus as a nurse at one of the busier hospitals in Brooklyn. So he said last night when they were at the game, he said he saw somebody with a mask still at the game. I'm like, well, what are you gonna do, bro?
Yeah, no, that's the I guess you could say that's the effect.
Brainwashing.
Yeah. But what can you do? You can't. You know how long I try to tell my daughter to take the damn mask off? She's like, why, daddy? I want to wear it. It's like, just take it off. It's because I said so. Take it off.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I said, I gotta sit here. We gotta wait.
That's it, bro. Yesterday, like I said, it didn't break till like 11:30. I don't want to wait here that long today, but you know. It is what it is. This is trading, like we were just talking about. And bro, if I don't get that video done today, that same video I've started 3 different times. Started that video 3 different times, bro.
Let me see. Where's Commuter? Oh, Commuter's gone.
Everybody's gone, bro. You pissed them all off.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell I said. It's okay. I'm very good at pissing people off unintentionally.
Yeah, you just. Oh man, you know it is what it is, bro.
And I just tend to smile. I'm wondering what I said. Oh, didn't I make a comment? A good comment?
Apparently not. So just don't
Oh,
worry about it. We'll talk later when we're off the air.
there he goes.
Yeah, I just took a big chance here. It's $100 contract. Goddamn. Let me show you. I might have to get out of this contract real quick. I can't hold on to this contract for too long.
Let me see.
I'm in a 2-to-1 hedge right now. So on the left, that's the 40.75 put. Cost me $100 to get in that contract.
Uh-huh.
And then on the right, I'm in a 41.50 call, which cost me $50 to get in that contract. So I want to see this thing slam down, come down to this 409 range. I'd like to see it break below 409. That'll give this contract a lot of room. I'd like to just see it just drop. Bam. I can get my money out of this contract and then worry about the other one.
Damn it, that's not what I wanted to do.
I'd like to see the rug pull early this morning. That's the goal. That's the goal.
Well, truly missed that opportunity. I'm not going to take it now. So I'm just going to wait for it to just go and wait for the bounce and then get back in it again. Truly missed out on that. Oh, hey there, Kikis. Damn it. Hey, Kiki, I've been working on those, just keep putting like t-shirts and I'm trying to like make one t-shirt like every day. and keep putting it on my on the oh my god, on Etsy, and then I figured out how to put the t-shirts on my website. So I want to put my main three t-shirts, which is one is like, who cares, work harder. Oh, nobody cares. Sorry, nobody cares, work harder. The other one was let's make this money, and I need a third one. And I was able to put one of them on my, but I spent like a couple of hours trying to figure it out. Actually, yeah, it was a full 12 hours for Sunday, but it was because I hit the quest. But I went back to my original doing delivery strategy, and it actually paid off. It paid off quite nicely. Then after I reached my goal, I continued working. I was like, forget it. What am I gonna do? So go home and do nothing? So come on, Reggie, come on. Is this gonna be one of those VWAP balances? Oh, that'd be so nice. SPX. You're watching it here. All right. Oh, it looks like. Hey, look at that. My VWAP is matching the VWAP on TraderView.
Really? What do we got going on?
Yeah. I haven't gotten any sales there, Kiki, but I think Etsy opening another store with Etsy under another email and all that stuff. I want to go over that because everything goes into the same bank account. Like the money all goes into the same bank account. So, do you have a couple of stores opened up? I was trying to set up my Etsy like presentable, so when people look at it, be like, oh, this guy's got some shirts. Um, and when you get your orders on Etsy, does it fill and all that stuff and no issues?
You look at Fang right now, Apple, all that stuff. They're on the downside right now.
Let me see. This is the 3 minute. Let's watch the tweet. Oh, I think, yeah, Kiki, you're gonna have to teach me all that stuff. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And when I do things, I kind of do them in a rush so I can get back on the road. And I need to stop doing that.
Well, I mean, tonight we got a Heat game. We got a Heat game, play-in game against Atlanta down in Miami. Now, Omar usually go down there for that. I'm not going to go down to Miami for that because I don't know, bro. It's just I have never gotten a really good ride after a Heat game. And for me to drive, 25 miles from where I'm at to go work that game just doesn't appeal to me. So I might not have but we got rain again all week. So I'm hoping
When there's rain, there's money.
where there's rain, there's money.
Especially if there's an event going on. I got an idea. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take
What are you going to
this.
do, Eddie? What are you going to do?
I'm going to take this one and I'm going to separate this screen.
All right, so we've got
Touch window. There you go. See?
we
That's
got
how you
5
do
in
it.
the chat. We got 5 in the chat, hanging out, watching us watch Eddie lose money. But right now, I'm down a little bit of money too today. I'm down about what am I down? I'm down $28 right now. I haven't lost $28. My plays right now are down $28.
All right. All right. I just gotta have 2 screens up. One of them is for my live paper trading, and the other one is for my paper trading.
Everything is just it's ranging. It's ranging lower. Obviously, we're setting we're setting new lower days on SPY. We're getting a bounce up to this one little trend line I got coming down. So, but you can see the plays I'm in. Left screen. Are we on my screen or your screen? We're on my screen.
No, you're on your screen. Well, we are on your screen.
So my left screen, I'm in a 4075 SPX put. It was a $1 contract. That's down 13 cents. On my right screen, I am in a 4150 put. 4150 call SPX. That was half a dollar. So I'm $1.50 in for the day. And we're just waiting to see which way this thing's going to break. The hedge is in.
Yep, for me, it's just moving too slow for me to take the trade, which is, I think that's a habit that I need to put into my daily trading. Gotta wait.
SPY is now
FOMO.
just broke above my VWAP. Rejected off the 200. My moving 200. My 200 moving average.
Wish there was a better
This
way.
is trading, bro. All that fast moving momentum. Nah, I ain't with that, bro. That Ross Cameron Warrior trading stuff, I know he does really well. But he's
Yeah,
also
but he's different, though.
but he's also
different
used
animal.
10x leverage too. You know what I mean?
He's got a ton of money in there invested.
Well, he started with that.
No,
crap
yeah. Oh no. That's why I follow him.
$5.
That's why I follow him. I watched his was it $1,000 or was it a 500? I don't know. Taking it to $1 million.
Yeah, he started $500.
I think it was a $500 to $1 million. It took him a year.
Yeah.
Took him a year. He was supposed to do it under a year, but he did it. He did it in the year. But again, that's why I followed him for the whole entire year. And yeah, he did it. He reached his milestone and all that stuff. I thought it was pretty good.
But he was using overseas broker. He was using a lot of leverage.
Trade Zero, was it? I think.
No, I think it was IB, International Brokers, whatever it is, Interactive Brokers. But he was using
Trade Zero. I think Trade Zero is overseas.
Yeah, but he was using a lot of leverage too, bro.
They gave you. I used Trade Zero. They gave me a 6-to-1 leverage.
Yeah,
and I had a $5,000 account with them. So
you had $30,000 worth of buying power. See, I can't do that, bro. Like Richie
it's just you're in and you're out. Yeah, but that was when I did that when it was during the pandemic, and my internet just kept going down and kind of messed everything up.
No, I thought about it for a minute. Richie talked me out of it. There was no way I was going with leverage. No way.
Yeah.
That's
well, again, the money that I was using was money that I was willing to lose.
Right.
And I only played to the upside. I never played to the downside.
Yeah, but either way, bro, you can get smoked on a leverage account. You remember that story about that kid from Robinhood, right? The Robinhood guy?
Oh, yeah, that committed suicide?
Yeah, because Robinhood made a mistake. He didn't do anything wrong. But he woke up that morning and found that he was like three-quarters, $750,000 upside down, and he killed himself over an error that Robinhood made. Nobody talks about that with Robinhood. They're scumbags. If you trade on Robinhood, you're an idiot.
And then they got caught doing the that
The
stuff
dirty.
during the pandemic.
Yeah, man. With Citadel. Oh, we're not gonna. You're not allowed to sell your position. You're not allowed to buy your position
Uh-huh.
because we said so. Illiquid ass people. You're an idiot if you trade with Robinhood. And if you're on here and you're getting offended because I said you're an idiot for trading with Robinhood, don't come back. Bye, Felicia.
All right, I just took a put here on SPY. Who's calling me? This is
D's.
the same. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see who this is.
It's D's, ain't it? Whoo! All right, who's all in the chat, man? Oh, Kiki was
It's just
here. Man, Patty, Kiki, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to ignore y'all. I apologize. Maybe I sent some people out of here, bro. We were at 5. I guess the other 4 might have been Robinhood traders.
yeah. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Hey, a lot of people are very sensitive right now. Just the matter. Hey, my toe hurts. I was like, the toe community. That's not good. I'm leaving. I'm going somewhere else. Everything is offensive. Even if I pick my own nose.
Well, don't pick your nose, bro. I don't want to see that.
Anybody gets
All right,
offended
we're
with
just hanging
everything.
in here, man. We're just hanging in this little meltdown.
Even comedians get smacked in.
Oh my god,
comedians,
bro!
even comedians are getting smacked for telling a joke.
Like, bro, it's crazy, right?
Dude, if I have had some friends that are I didn't know that they were very touchy. Um, but they made a they made a stupid comment one time, and knowing me, I don't shut up. Um,
Mm.
and they disappeared. I got blocked off of Facebook from them. I was like, nice.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of it, but it is what it is.
So, where's my option? Well, I'm technically in my put right here.
Well, we're
It's not
still
doing
trending down. It's just a slow meltdown.
correct. So what I wanted to do is I'm just gonna move my stop here because my stop here is like a 50-cent stop. So it's at I bought it at 67 and my stop is at 43. But once it starts moving to the downside, then I'm gonna take my profits. Well, I'm gonna move my stop. But I'm thinking this is just gonna break down.
Well,
It kind of
I'd like to see it rip down. Like I said, I'd like
I
to
like
see it
look
get
at
into
this,
my other range here.
right? This is your flag right here that you like looking at. So Hey Kiki, so when are you oh there it goes. I just saw it fluctuate like pretty good right there.
Yeah, it's just a waiting game this morning, bro.
Yep. There it
But
goes.
Spy's starting to break down a little bit.
Yep.
I know what I'm looking for out of this contract. I don't think I'm going to get there, but I'm looking for 160 out of this contract.
Wait. I need
That's my target right there.
I just need
That's my
my
target.
quotes. I don't want my times and sales. I thought I saved this. My orders. There we go. Position. I'm gonna
Another
check my
low a day on
distribution.
Spy and just bounces right back up. This is a very, very slow meltdown.
There we go. There's my position. That's what I wanted to see. TQQQ. Hold on. Let me let me get rid of this. Let me put this one right here. I just needed to keep moving to the downside. Ah, look at this. I think I'm a little cold. Yeah, my hands are cold. We got lower highs, lower lows.
Yep, that's where we're at. That's where we're at, brother.
Let's see. That's what I want. I just need to, yeah. I'm looking at the same thing. The breakdown. Oh, it'd be nice if it came out to like all the way back down to 404.
That's the I'm looking for it to rip back down to 4105. So on Spy it would be if it came down to 404, I'd be creaming my pants right now. Are you kidding me? I wouldn't be able to stand up. I'd wind up knocking my table over. Especially on that put.
I have a put right now. Let me see. The low of yesterday was 405. Yeah, 405. You think it's going to dive right back down, the breakdown?
There's no telling. We're hitting up against a trend line again on Spy. So let's see what it does at this trend line. Everything's converging. If you look at your 9 EMA, your VWAP, your 45 EMA, your 200 moving average, like everything is right in there. You look at your MACD, it's kind of underneath, but it looked like it was going to start to roll back up, and then it's just flat. Everything's flat. Everything is just flat. This might have been another day where I should have just sat and waited, but you know, I'm a glutton for punishment.
Kroger Delivery has one mission: to save you time and money by delivering fresh groceries at great
I'm
prices.
getting a lot of Uber commercials. Get Uber Eats and get your first get your orders delivered for free. I was like, really?
Bro, have you been seeing the have you been seeing like on Instagram and maybe it's on Facebook, the Uber ads that they're running? They're trying to get it's supposed to be trying to teach passengers how to get their rating up. They got some woman on there, and she's like, "Listen, riders, be where you're supposed to be when it's time to pick up. How to improve your rating as a rider." Because and I wanted to talk about this in video, but we can talk about it tomorrow night on the podcast.
Uh huh.
Um, how it's trying to, because riders got to, there are a lot of riders with terrible ratings, rider ratings, and now drivers don't want to pick them up for the low fares. Drivers
Correct.
are getting lowballed, right? So, and then like yesterday, I had a ride request come through. It was actually paying good, $70. It was an XL, $70 going to Miami, which is about 25 miles. Okay. $70 for 25 miles, right? And it would have took about an hour. Okay. And then all of a sudden I looked up as I was getting ready to accept the trip, 4.52 rider. Decline.
Because they're not out there, and that's another thing too. They call you and they're not out there, and you're waiting. But I have noticed that Uber and Lyft say that we're still 3 minutes out on their
Yeah.
app.
Well, because it's delayed a little bit on their end.
So I usually, when I get there, I send them a little text. It's like, "Hey, I'm here." But the moment the time comes where like cancel the ride, I cancel the ride and I just go. It's just
Oh, this all right. Spy's trying to break out.
yeah, I see it. I see it.
I still don't trust it. I'm still gonna sit on this stuff right now. I don't trust it. Just had a wick above my trend line on the SPX. It's the second wick. See where this candle closes on the 1 minute chart.
Let me see. 1 minute. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Wow, this contract just dropped big time.
Which one?
The put, the 4075 put. Wow. All right, I guess we do have something at 10:30. Financial stability report. So I'm
Oh, what
sitting.
the?
I'm not gonna panic. I'm not gonna panic. But SPX and SPY are both above VWAP right now. MACDs are starting to cross up. Now this is where your diamond comes in, because your 9 EMA should be getting ready to cross your 45 EMA. Is that what it's doing?
Wait, hold on.
Come on, let's bring yours up. Let's go
Wait, hold on.
on
It's just that
SPY.
I'm looking at two charts right now. Correct. Yeah. Well, that's not a mat. The mat is the one that consolidates just before the high and then it takes off on you. So this is the high right here. Are we on mine? Hold on. God damn it, so many. There we go. Yeah, so that's the high, and I will consolidate just before the high, and then I'll keep going to the upside. But let's see what happens.
All right, so right now I'm down about $50 on the day. We're going to see how this plays out.
Let's see how it plays out. Because I have my stop. I have my stop on my option. Just put it down there. So here we go. Here we go.
Time is
Trading.
an issue here in
Trading.
about 30 minutes.
Yep. Trading Uber money here. Actually, no. I'm technically trading somebody else's money. So. Man, I just need this big. I just need the move to just go.
Yep. Nobody's buying the upside though. They're selling off the downside. They're selling off puts. Puts are capitulating a little bit. But the upside, nobody's really buying the calls. So let's see what happens here in another minute with this news. The financial stability.
What the hell am I doing?
But I have room where I can dollar cost average on either one of these contracts.
Hold on. I know what I'm doing here.
Now we got enough information here to pull a fib retrace. All right, so off the high a day, we have hit our fib retracement zone. So I'll bring that up real quick. Anybody who's interested in fib retracements. So here's SPY. Here's the high a day. There's the high a day. So we pull a fib from high a day to low a day. And this zone right here is a 61.8 to 78.6. That's that zone. So we're waiting to see. This is going to kind of tell us what's going to happen here. That's the retracement zone. You can see that yellow box. It's perfectly in that. It's perfectly pullback from this morning. It's perfectly in there. Now let's see if we fall out of it and we rip back down. And you see what just happened? It just ripped.
Yep. It just. Yep.
So let's see what it wants to do here. Yeah. So let's see what it wants to do here.
Hopefully we get one of these.
Need a big red candle. Huge red candle. So let's see what happens here.
But it's technically crossed over. See that?
What? It's crossed over what? Yeah.
The green line over the yellow line.
Yeah.
The VMA over the. Now it's pulling back to it. But again, as the rule goes, go with the trend.
Always.
Go with the trend. Some other people say different. But again, you never know until it actually happens.
Say it twice for those in the back.
That's right. You never know until it actually happens. So you're playing the odds. For me, it's a good trend to the downside. I wish it was doing this. If it was doing this, but it was trending up, then yeah.
Hold on. What are you talking about?
Right here. So overall, it's downtrending. Where is it? Let me go bigger timeline. See, it was uptrending, but now it's coming right back down. So I don't know. For me, I see it that it's just it just keeps going down and down and down and
It's playing with you. Again, like yesterday, it's probably going to be a later move in the day. And
but
go
look,
from
let's
there.
see what happens because right now it's on the 9 EMA and you get the cross.
Visit Carvana.com or download the app to get pre-qualified today. We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
Do plan a picnic with Malibu.
Let me see. My stop was at 43
Do Malibu.
and it didn't and my low was
Do it tomorrow. Do whatever tastes good.
All right, here comes his big red
47.
candle. Big red candle. Big red candle on SPX.
What does the future of cruising look like? With MSC Cruises, it's sailing sustainably to over 250 destinations around the world. Want to see for yourself? Dive into a world of protected wonders at Ocean View. MSC's private island.
Hey, by the way, Kiki, you still here, Kiki?
Eco-friendly excursions across the globe. For
Let's
enjoy
I'll text you. I want to see if I can set up
with MSC
a meeting with you so we can talk again and do it again online.
Advisor. Restrictions apply.
Because I might want to open another corp and or another corp, a influencer channel. I mean LLC. So see, Kiki's really good at this stuff. You know what, Kiki? I need to take a day off and sit with you on the computer all day for a couple of hours and put everything together. And then after everything is set, just let it go, right? And then my homework will be to do it again with another one, different email, different bank account, and just do it that way. And then each business could be a different bank account. But I can technically throw it into the same bank account. I just don't know if Etsy will be able to decline me but it's technically another business.
Bro, are you watching Spy?
Yeah.
Do you see that huge freaking red?
Yeah, I see it. It just tanked.
But it's
Do you hear
it didn't break low a day.
Correct. No, not yet. But it looks like it's about to.
All right, we got a new low a day here. Need another big push. Come on, push. What the hell? Why did this contract all of a sudden stop? What the fuck? This contract should be like 170 already. What the is going on here?
How much is your contract when you got in?
100, and right now it's sitting at 90, 95.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
Fuck, didn't that contract go more than that? The fuck? Hey, vey.
Yep. No, I just need a continuation to the downside. Well, it's just that this big, giant, humongously wicked candle. Just don't like it. That indecision looks like a hammer. See that? So I was up, but now that little bit, that little green candle right there, automatically put me negative.
This makes no sense.
Ooh, you hear that bird?
That contract should. Man, I'm going to shoot that bird. Really? Okay, I didn't see that coming. I thought on those huge retracement that it would have really popped down, and that contract should have fired off. I'm a
But
little
no, but usually that's a sign that it's not really. I don't know.
bro. You
Was that
had
on?
three
Was that on
huge
high volume?
red candles. Yeah, they were high volume. Look at it compared to the rest of the volume of the day.
Uh huh.
Those are huge high volume candles.
In the beginning, there was one. At 9:42, there was another one. Here was another one that created the lower low.
Look at the volumes on those candles. Relative to the volume of the rest of the day.
199. Yeah, 300. 355,000 on that last big, humongously huge, long candle.
Interesting. If you remember earlier, I was saying I was looking for this to get down to like 4105, and it got there. It wicked down there, and it bounced right off of it. All right, let's see. So I got a 1 minute chart here. I got a 5 minute chart here. I'm watching both the 1 and the 5 at the same time.
Well, I have my 2 minute and my price of my option here.
Interesting. I guess I'm going to need another big push. I mean, technically, when that dump happened, right here at the fib retracement level, remember I had just drawn that fib retracement level.
Yeah, hold on. Let me put yours up. Yeah, go ahead.
When it got into that buy zone, sell zone, it ripped down from there. But at this point, at the height, this contract was at 55 cents. And then it fired all the way back up to like 106. And now it's down about 80 again. So, this is the downside to option trading. I'm technically scalping the option, but I mean, we're in this option now almost an hour, which is way too long.
Yeah, I've been in it for too long. I just feel like the next time it's just up, just take my profit and go.
We should always take your profit and go. But I didn't get to technically I did get to my 10%.
But let's see, low. Let's see if it does another low. But see, just this little teeny bit of green candle that we get automatically just kills the price of all my profits.
Yep. The one thing I do know, it's always easier to come down than it is to go up. So, and that's where you get beat up a little bit. The computer algorithms and everything, the computer trading, they know how to milk it, time it just right to burn premium. Nobody's
Yep,
talking.
there we go. There we go. Now it's on the on me. It's on the 2 minute right under the the 90 MA, and I just want to see continuation.
Yeah, I think we all do. Har, har, har. Trying to get to that lower day right there.
I gotta text. I gotta text Kiki. See what the hell she's doing that I'm not doing. I think I'm just being purely lazy. No, yeah, I think I'm just being lazy. I think.
Oh.
And it just doesn't want to go.
Yeah, it's getting ready to come back. It looks like it wants to come down again. That's the beauty of having a 5-minute chart up at the same time, is you can see the overall movement on a 5-minute chart, little larger time frame. Because then you can see where the wicks are at and everything, where everything's at.
But it looks like, see, and I'm up. There it goes. It's gonna go again. The option price on my option just went up. It jumped like 3 cents. There it goes.
And yet, this contract's not moving.
Let me do my 3 minute here.
All right, SPY just set a new low a day. Can it push down into this next zone? This is
There it goes. Okay, now I'm just waiting for this candle to close. I mean the candle to close in about 39 seconds. I move my stop at break even. I am technically up. Let me see. Yeah, I'm up 14% on it. But it's just like it comes back, and it just kind of sucks.
well, I mean, that's the market, right? Market's up and down all the time. You're just trying to catch the right trend, that's all. Can we get back to this little level here?
It's a 409 put. There we go. It's a 409 right now. I'm going to move my stop. Break even. Now, no matter what happens now, I'm into profits.
We provide a licensed and insured tax attorney who evaluates your company at my expense to determine eligibility. Businesses of all types can qualify. .com potentially get a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. Download the Innovation Refunds app or go to getrefunds.com. Getrefunds.com.
What's the Walt Disney World thrill feel like? It's plunging into Pandora together, soaring around the world with friends. It's
the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Or the chance to simply scream. Mickey! Thrills across all 4 Walt Disney World theme parks.
Wow, that's so cool.
Feel it for yourself at Walt Disney World Resort, where Disney thrills us like. To find out how Florida residents can save on tickets, visit disneyworld.com/resident.
Wireless headphones. That'll be $200.
I'll use my Capital One Quicksilver card.
Now that's a hit.
You used the Capital One Quicksilver card, which makes you the hero of every
Capital One. They give you good credit,
cashback.
but their interest rates are like whoo, like high up there.
Unlimited 1.5% cashback is pretty slick.
Good instincts. Every hero needs a theme song.
Sorry, I'm just focused here today, guys. I don't see a whole lot going on in the chat, so
Yeah, no.
I got up to 20%. I was 20% on this contract. I didn't pull the trigger. Now I'm down 15%. Woo. The swings are hard, bro.
So
It gave me an opportunity to take the profit, but I don't know, man. Something about this is just not sitting right with me right now.
yep, I don't know. I think I took my profits here. Damn it! Don't tell me I didn't. I'm gonna check here. I was trying to sell it as fast as possible.
My spread might have been too far out of the money today. But with what happened yesterday, what's been happening, especially around midday, it just kind of keeps me in it. I mean, but yesterday doesn't mean what happened yesterday and last week doesn't mean what's going to happen today.
Yeah.
But we definitely set a new low a day here.
The hell is going on here? I can't move my chart. Let me see. I bought one here. Yeah, I bought it at 68, sold it at 73. It didn't sell when I wanted to. It didn't sell. All right, now we're gonna go down here.
Yeah, it's just I have to sit here and watch it. Sit here and watch it. What time we clipping this? 11 a.m.
Yeah, in about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutos. 10 minutos, we're gonna. But damn, that could have been a nice 30% that I had there. Just didn't do it fast enough. Remove positions, orders, general market. Orders. There we go.
Yeah, it's just a slow morning. Slow morning. You knew that was going to be a hard V there. That was going to be a hard V. That's how you caught it yesterday. See what's going to happen here.
See what's going to happen. Is it going to be bouncing off the continuation to the downside? Let's see. Now I need to go into center. All right, so I did good. I'm again, my 250 account is down to 82. So don't want to burst nobody's bubble here of a positiveness. But I need to get rid of this.
Well, what's happening is the market's reacting to the IMF meeting right now. The International Monetary Fund.
This is my SPY. This is my, paper trading account. I need my there we go. All right, I feel so much better.
Would you pass gas?
No, that I did that a while ago. I was just looking at it's just everything that I do on my paper trading account goes into my live account.
Okay.
So I need to get rid of all my orders from on my paper trading account and my live account at the same time too. Let me get rid of this. This is, I'm gonna make sure. Yep. So anyway, I don't know if you want, we can cut this feed. There's nothing really going on anyway.
Yeah, I'm good with that. It's just a very slow morning. All the action is going to wind up coming in the afternoon. You watch. CPI and everything is tomorrow morning, so tomorrow morning should be interesting.
All right. Kiki, I don't know if you're still there, but I'll send you a text. We can meet up. We can do it again. All right. Peace. Do it again tomorrow. 2 Uber
Right,
drivers
well,
finding the way out of ride sharing.
emotional damage.